Chrysler Imperial. It's startup time, boys and girls. So over the weekend, I took the carburetor home and I went through everything again. Rebuilt the entire thing, changed out everything, put new floats in it. We were having a float issue. As you can see, I have the air cleaner sitting up here, so those two vacuum lines are hooked up. I just cranked it over a few times. Got a little fuel up to the carb. Let's see what we got. I gotta put a pin in that still. Give it one little squirt of gas. Running. Need to adjust the idle mixture, check the timing. But we're there, we're lit. The Imperial has moved under its own power. Happy. Gonna move these three out of the way, and we're gonna go for a little bitty drive. Gotta put some gas in it. It's time for the Imperial's maiden voyage. Ooh, it brakes good. Ooh-wee. Going down and get some gas. Cruising the Imperial. She drives pretty good. Drove the awesome 72 Imperial. Took it down to the gas station. Adjusted the timing a little bit. Took her for a spin. This car drives so well. Look how huge this thing is. Massive. Such a beauty. I'm so happy. Chrysler Imperial is done. I love these fuselage Mopars. Alright, so mission accomplished. Imperial driving, running well. Fuel level sender has sunk, so it's not going back up. So we'll address that later, and we need to address the AC in this thing as well down the road. Chris just wants to go enjoy it and drive it for a little bit, and then his next project is his park lane.